I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is June 14, Wednesday, 2023. So we'll hop right into it here. We had this nice bearish candle here. Price came up in London and then sank down for the news for FOMC, and then nice retracement all the way back to a gap that it created from the news at 2:30, and now we're here. So I'll make this video quick. So go to a 4 hour. Actually, before I do that, if it was going to retrace nicely, where would it come? We got this block right here, which is beautiful. And then in a 4 hour, you can see this pretty cool right here. Coming right back to that block right there. So we gapped down first in the yesterday night and at the open, and then we took out these lows and it kind of broke a structure. So this was the real structure to break, and then we retraced here, and then boom, came down, ran right through it, retraced back up all the way. So nice area to come by as it was just sinking down. You're like, okay, where's it going to stop? Got liquidity here, and then we got this block nicely tapped that and then bounced. Let's go to a 1 hour real quick. And you will see here that same thing, right here. London shoots down, doesn't take that low first. So that was a nice little buy up to where? Well, we took it right above here. We took it right above here to this nice equal highs here, got into this block here, sold off. Opened up the news, sank, came down, took all that liquidity here, took that liquidity there, got into this this area here, this demand area here. So, all right, so let's go, and then we bought up. And then let's go into a, go into a 5. And a little more clear here, but as you see, we left this gap open, so we got a gap open here. Thought it would kind of come up to it in this buy, but didn't need to. But this is going to be left here for a while, so I don't know if we're going to come back up, but we'll see. We still got news tomorrow and Friday, but this is your lower high, that's your lower high. So price came down, already gave us the gift at 9:30, not taking out that low. So if it doesn't take out that low, to me, it's generally a buy, and until they come back up for some liquidity and make a lower high, which they did beautifully right there, and then sold right from there because it did what it needed to do, got into this here and retraced right back into it beautifully, sold off. Then news happened, boom, sank all the way down, and then find a floor. Then we bought that up. I got this trade on the buy live, and it'll be posted in on the YouTube channel, so should be posting real soon, but and you'll see this here. But yeah, and then retrace right back up right above that gap, which is a beautiful target, and then fell short of that high right there and closed out right there beautifully. So then we retraced pretty good. I was going to take the sell, but I was just pretty much done with the day. I didn't want to mess with it. But let's go into a 1 minute real quick, and then we'll be done. And as you can see here, same story, pops up, sweeps, takes that out, breaks, comes back in, order flow, nice little lower low. Then we take this buy up, and see here, comes right back into the block here. Not a great entry or anything, but it was very difficult. But we had some confluence, and then price held, came all the way up, took it out, boom, right there, retracement, nice, beautiful. Take the sell all the way down. If you held it and held it all the way, if you held it all the way down, you would keep going with it, let it flow, you know, let it go bearish, right? One more time for liquidity there, and then boom, nice, beautiful buy right there. End of the road here, so we're like, okay, end of the road, let's look for a shift, let's look for what we always do every day, and boom, right there, beautiful, tapped in, and then took off. Where to take off? Right to that gap. Beautiful. Could have took the sell here. I was going to, but I was done for the day, and then it did all this. So nice day actually. So let's go into a daily, and let's see what we got here. So price can retrace. I mean, you know what? Let me go to a 4-hour. So we're at the top of that range. We're expecting this. Finally, they priced it in here, which took out liquidity, which made more sense. And then we sank down. So now we're here, and we could pop up a little bit just to take out that high. Maybe get into this wick here. I don't know if they come here for the news one more time just to grab it and, you know, ruin the market kind of thing, because there is a gap right here. So I don't know what's gonna happen there, but I think I'll even draw it. It's probably gonna be hard too, but just make this quick here. So this right here, I know there's a gap here, so I'll put it there. Like I said, I don't know if they're gonna really come that high or anything, but so if they don't, we'll be talking about this gap for like 6 months. So we might revisit that like next year even. Who knows? I don't know. Point is that we could get to the top side here. If not, we've made a lower low and we made a lower high. So my intention is to slowly come down, break this low, and probably get into here or take this out. And then, you know, from there, we'll make another lower high, however that looks like. So, but I wouldn't just count out the top side completely. So, yeah, is that the gap? Oh, I need to refine this. Needs to be right there. Yeah. So we got a gap right there. We got a high right there. And we could pop up here. So preferably like to just get in here and then sell off again to take that out. All right, and then dollar obviously was sinking and then shot the hell up, you know, and yeah, shot up here, and then that was the sell for us. And then when it retraced, because I knew it would retrace and I knew we would retrace, that's how we caught that buy. So, all right. So hope this helps. You guys take care. Until tomorrow, God bless.